Payhip lets you connect a custom domain, like yourname.com, to your store for branding. No extra hosting needed. SSL is auto-generated for free. Propagation takes 1 to 48 hours. 1. Purchase a domain, if needed. Buy from Namecheap, GoDaddy, Google Domains, etc. $10-15 per year. No Payhip specific purchase required. 2. In Payhip dashboard, log in at payhip.com, click Store, Header, Domains tab. Click Connect Existing Domain, enter your domain, e.g. www.yourname.com or shop yourname.com. Payhip generates DNS records. Name for www subdomain, domains, payhip.com, a record for root. Bean 45, 154, 183 if using naked domain. 3. Update DNS at your registrar log into your provider, for example, GoDaddy. DNS settings, add, edit records. For www.subdomain, type cname, host, www, or shop, value, domains.payhip.com, TTL, 1 hour. For root domain, type a, host, apes, value, 45, 154, 183, TTL, 1 hour. Delete conflicting records, for example, old a, cname. Save changes. 4. Verify in Payhip. Back in Domains tab, click Verify Connection. Once active, green, set as primary, redirects payhip.com to your domain.